In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track Typeform in Google Ads, guiding you step by step through the entire process. This is a valuable skill if you use Typeform to gather customer information or feedback and want to measure the effectiveness of your Google Ads campaigns. Let's dive right into it. First, we need to connect Typeform with Google Tag Manager, or GTM for short. This connection is essential because GTM will act as the intermediary that helps transmit data from Typeform to Google Ads. Start by logging into your Typeform account. Within your dashboard, navigate to the Connect section, often housed under Integrations. Here, you'll look for the option to link with GTM. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this setup. This process usually involves copying and pasting a container ID from GTM. Make sure to save any changes. This connection essentially allows Typeform to communicate directly with GTM, which is crucial for tracking user interactions. Next up, let's set up a trigger in GTM. After logging into your Google Tag Manager account, locate the Triggers section on the left-hand menu. In the top right corner, you'll see a button to create a new trigger. Click on it and you'll be prompted to choose a trigger type. Opt for Custom Event. Here, you'll need to name your trigger something memorable yet relevant, like Typeform Submission. Then specify the event name, usually matching the event fired by Typeform on a form submission. Save your trigger once you're done. This trigger will listen for the specified event whenever a user completes a Typeform. Now we need to create a Google Ads conversion tag. Still within GTM, go to the tag section. Again, hit New at the top right to start creating a tag. Choose Google Ads Conversion Tracking as your tag type. You'll need to input your Google Ads Conversion ID and conversion label, which you can find in your Google Ads account. Attach the trigger you just created to this tag. Remember to save your tag configuration. This tag will communicate with Google Ads whenever the trigger condition is met, recording each Typeform completion as a conversion. Finally, it's important to test everything in preview mode to ensure it's working seamlessly. Within GTM, before publishing your changes, click on Preview to enter preview mode. This mode allows you to simulate Typeform submissions and verify whether the tags and triggers are firing correctly. Navigate to your Typeform, fill out and submit it. As you do that, observe the GTM preview window for the event data. Make sure that the right tags are firing. If something seems amiss, review your setups and connections to troubleshoot any errors. And there you have it. You've successfully tracked Typeform responses in Google Ads. This setup will help you gather invaluable data on how your ads are performing in relation to the leads or feedback gathered through Typeform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.